Do you want to make money online by doing something simple and easy? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. There is enough money for you on the online space, and on this video is another opportunity for you to cash out every week. Right on your screen is a payment from a secret website that I'm very passionate about. I have been working on it to see if they will pay like they promised. Of course, I love to check this website before bringing it to you, my lovely subscribers. And I must say that this website is a website that you don't want to miss. So if you can give it a little of your time, it can definitely become a side hustle for you and also replace your 9-to-5 paycheck. Now, if you're just coming across my video for the first time, my name is Chidi, and I welcome you to the Wealthy Mindset with Chidi. On this channel, all I share is information on how you can make money on the online space. So, like the video and also join the family by subscribing to this channel, and then turn your notification bell on to always get updated whenever I upload content that can possibly make you money online legitimately. So on today's video, you will learn how you can make money from audio content. The website I'm going to share with you right now will help you achieve this. There are a couple of websites where you can make money from audio content, but I choose this particular one because it is unique and their pay is high and they pay every week. Now, the name of the website is called Ref. But hold on, if you rush to this website without knowing or putting every measures in place, it will show you this. We are not currently accepting applications from your country. And then you come back to say that it is not working. There are tricks to making this work, which I'm going to reveal to you in this video. Not to worry, the links to this site will be pasted down below the description for easy access. Now on ref.com, the interface says fast, accurate transcription services. So here they have human transcription, where you can convert your audio or video into text, and the pay is $1.50 per minute. They also have the English closed caption, where you can add English subtitles to your video, and the pay is $1.50 per minute. And lastly, global translated subtitles. The pay here is $5 to $12 per minute. The pay here is high. So now we want to make money from this website. To find opportunity here, you need to scroll down to the bottom of this page where you can find Become a Freelancer. Since you don't have anything to offer to them, you want to transcribe audio into text and get paid, right? So you're going to click on Become a Freelancer, and it will take you to this interface here where it says earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere, anytime, creating a flexible work schedule where they allow you to work as you want, whenever you want. That is to tell you that you are your own boss. No one is gonna ask you to work when you don't feel like working. You can work from anywhere you want, whether you're in your bedroom, on the couch, in your kitchen, just wherever you are. You are free to do your thing your own way. You can also choose from hundreds of jobs. That is to say that there are varieties of projects that you can select from, which means a steady stream of freelancing job and steady income as well. And lastly, you get paid weekly. You will receive your payment on a weekly basis via PayPal. And if you are in a country that has problem with PayPal, maybe you can see the money in your PayPal account but cannot withdraw, or PayPal does not work at all in your country. I'm going to leave a video link on the description. When you click on the link, you'll be directed to the video for you to learn everything needed for you to set up a working PayPal account, even if your country does not accept PayPal. Now, you're going to be working on this website either as a transcriptionist or a captioner. As a transcriptionist, you're going to listen to audios and videos. Then you accurately type what is being said and you label speakers. And your payment as a transcriptionist will range from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio video minute. And as a captioner, you'll be able to watch video, accurately type what is being said, and you creatively convey sounds and sync typed audio with video. And your pay here will range from 54 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minutes. So right from the front page of this video, you will notice that people who are looking for transcriptionists pay $1.50 for the job that will be rendered to them. But this website will pay you $1.10 and then take the 40 cents for using their platform. So the next thing you need to know is that there are 3 easy steps to making money on Ref. The first is you will take a quick test to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. And secondly, you are going to submit a transcription or caption sample which they are going to review to ensure it meets customers' quality expectations. And lastly, you are approved and you'll be able to register and start earning right away. So looking at your screen right now, you will see that this websites do not accept people from my location. So if you're in Nigeria or in Africa, you may see this. So if you are in such place, this is the kind of message you will get. Whether you are using a phone or a computer, you will get same message. So what you're going to do now is to get a VPN, meaning a virtual private network. There are so many of them that are effective and very easy to use. So if you're using a mobile phone, you can head over to your Play Store and download Proton VPN. So once it's downloaded, you launch it on your phone, you go ahead and sign up using your email and a password. So after you have done all of that, you select the country you want. There are many countries there. You select the country you want and switch it on. Then you go back to the website. You will notice that the interface has changed all of a sudden. It will now become a transcriptionist with Ref. And then you go ahead to fill in your name, your email address, and select your country. But remember, the country selected on your VPN is what you'll be imputing there. Now you'll find out that all countries are actually listed here, including Nigeria. That is to say that this website is for everyone, just that there are restrictions to some locations. So like I said, if your VPN location or country that you select there is in USA or is USA, so make sure you select USA as well and click on next. You will get a welcome message like this one, and you go ahead to estimate your weekly earnings. If you want to ref casually, you will earn $22 as beginner, $37 as intermediate, and $60 as an advanced transcriptionist. Likewise, becoming a ref occasionally, it has its own payment like you can see on your screen, and as a senior ref, you can see its own payment as well. After you're done selecting how much you plan to ref, you go ahead and start the application by clicking on Start Application, and then you go ahead and answer every other questions that will pop up. So go ahead and apply everything that you've learned from this video if you want to work as a transcriber or ref. So guys, I hope this video helps you get that side income that you have been praying for. I'm rooting for you, and if you appreciate the effort I put in making this video for you, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel for more content like this. So until my next video, it is bye.